All right, I want to talk about something quickly. Why? Facebook, I have to say that you guys are so unfair. You are so unfair. You know, I've watched 3 months, going on 3 months straight, where someone is being bullied for 3 consecutive months. I'm sure it's 3 months now. 3 consecutive months, right? And nothing is being done about it. I get up every day, almost every day for 3 months, and I watch a certain individual bully and harass Miss Donna Marie Go, day in, day out. Right? This person, Miss Donna Marie Go, yeah? She has 607,000 followers on your platform. You not just get up overnight and get those followers. There's a reason why you have that amount of followers, right? This person is a upstanding citizen. She contributes a lot to our country. She is admired by a lot of people, not just in my country, in the Caribbean and in other countries in the world. Do you understand? However, you allow a certain individual to be calling her name day in, day out, and you've done nothing whatsoever. Nothing yet. Facebook, you say you have zero tolerance on bullying and harassment. You're all for inclusion, equality, and diversity. Yet, you've done nothing. And I've sat down here for 3 good months. 3 months, and I've watched this individual on the left, which I dare not call her name, though I am not afraid of her. I am not afraid of her. I'm not afraid of anyone. But I dare not call her name because she's not worthy of me calling her name. But she's terrorized the internet day in, day out. She's tried to fight this person day in, day out. She's gone through extensive lengths day in, day out. She's tried to form alliance day in, day out. She created a talk show where she has her talk show calling in, day out. Now, it's gotten to the point where a certain voice note has now surfaced, right? Where it seems like there's a conversation being had with Trishana, not new Trishana, the old Trishana who got millions, the one who them say ungrateful. No, there is some sort of voice note, whether or not it was pieced together to make something into what it's not, because anything that is coming out of that camp is not credible. And I wish people stop listening to certain things, because nothing is credible from out of that camp. This person will go through whatever length it is to make something believable. That is what she's capable of doing. It started from rejection. She couldn't handle rejection. It turned into jealousy and bad mind. It left from jealousy and bad mind to hatred. Right? It left from hatred to obsession. And the obsession, it's now mental. And I said this over a month ago. I've said this over a month ago. Say, listen, look at what is happening. Look at what is happening. So because she's not getting any headway, she's not getting no headway. So now she's trying to recruit people who she thinks will stand with her and fight against Miss Donna Marie Go. There's no evidence. There's no nothing. We've exhausted this topic. I am so sick and tired of it. But when you see this hate campaign, you know what? It's not even right now. It passed hate campaign. It's not hate campaign. It's mental, where the person needs help. So I am imploring. I am appealing. I am asking. I am begging Facebook. Facebook, you say zero tolerance on bullying and harassment. If you look into the case of Donna Marie Go versus another individual, if you do your research, if you do your detective work, right, you will see for yourself that it is unfair that every day somebody should endure another person harassing, accusing, bullying them. You are trying to defame. You are trying to degrade. It is tiring. It is exhausting. And Facebook, you have to step in and you have to do something about it. Because this individual is spiraling out of control and she's wreaking havoc on this side of Facebook. She's wreaking havoc. We've had enough. We've had enough. We can't take it anymore. We can't get away from it because people who we also follow, they will share and share and share and it comes up in our feed. Even if you don't want to watch it or whatever, you hear one and two things before you scroll past. We cannot get away from it. Even if you don't watch, your friends will come and tell you, didn't you hear what this person said about this? Did you hear this is a disgrace? Why is this happening? This shouldn't be happening. We cannot get, because why? We have our friends and family who support Miss Donna Marie Go. We support her. We stand by her. So when we see something, it hurts. So your family and friends, even though you don't want to hear about it, they're going to call you and say, Lord Jesus, what's going on? Why is this happening? Why is Facebook not doing anything about this? This shouldn't be carrying on. This is harassment. This is bullying. You understand? This is too much. Even men are getting involved. That is how upsetting it is. Because no matter how we talk to this individual on the left, you speak calmly. You get angry. You get upset. They're not changing. They're still doing because they become so obsessed. It's unhealthy. You understand? So now I am talking to you, Facebook, because if me write one sentence with a particular word that do certain things, you're ready for strike, you're ready for warn, you're ready for ban. You understand? You're ready for restrict we. All kind of things. It is unfair, but yet still you have this person calling this woman's name day in, day out, her full-blown name. Full name, where she not even contributing nothing to Facebook in terms of not get no money off her, but yet still with Miss Donna Marie Go, that's a business. That's business right there. She's generating revenues for both of you, where this individual is not bringing anything to the table, but yet still you allow this person over here to be violating this person like that, to be spewing verbal diarrhea.